Model 1 Vector Calculus. Here we already discussed about the vector calculus in our classes. This is a revision part that we have to see only the important topics on this directly. Vector V indicates dr by dt, that is a velocity of the particle. Vector A, small a, is equal to dv by dt. This V is nothing but a velocity. V is nothing but velocity means dr by dt. This is double differentiation of dr with respect to dt, the rate of change of velocity. Now the grade pi is nothing but dou pi by dou xi plus dou pi by dou yj plus dou pi by dou z k. Divergence of A, vector A is nothing but a1i plus a2j plus a3k. Here dot product we have to apply for this. Here I, j, k terms will not come. Whenever you will get a grade pi, then pi is a scalar quantity, then only you will get a I, j, k term. Here vector is a del is also vector, vector A is also the vector. The product of two vectors will get dou by a1 divided by dou x plus dou a2 divided by dou y plus dou a3 divided by dou z. Now third one is curl vector A. Here this curl we have to apply with the matrix method. I, j, k dou by dou x a1, dou by dou y a2, dou by dou z a3. Then the next is the unit vector normal n cap along del pi. Unit vector normal is nothing but a n cap along with the grade pi is grade pi divided by mod grade pi. The remaining terms we have to get the angle of two surfaces. Angle of two surfaces is cos theta divided by del pi 1 dot del pi 2 divided by mod del pi 1 mod del pi 2. This is a angle between the two surfaces. If del pi 1 dot del pi 2 is equal to 0, means this del pi 1 dot del pi 2 is equal to 0, the theta is nothing but pi by 2, means this is intersect the right angle triangle. Then the del pi 1 dot del pi 2 become a 0. The directional derivative is nothing but del dot n cap. The n cap is nothing but direction vector divided by mod of that direction vector. The vector V whose divergence is 0 means the divergence of vector V is equal to 0. This we call it as a solenoidal vector. If the curl of vector V is equal to 0, this is irrotational and this is solenoidal. This we have to study in the main topic of this vector calculus. The first topic, if they asked a question, find the unit vector normal. In that they will give pi term, that is a scalar quantity x y cube z square minus 4 at minus 1, 2. First we have to write the unit vector normal formula. Unit vector n cap is equal to del pi divided by mod del pi. First we have to find the del pi. Del pi is nothing but grade pi. That is dou pi by dou xi plus dou pi by dou y j plus dou pi by dou z k. Now you have to apply the with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z for partial derivatives. This become y cube z square I plus for y 3xy square z square j plus 2xy cube z k. For this del pi we have to substitute -1, -1, 2. then you will become minus 4I minus 12j plus 4k. Take a minus 4 common here, it become I plus 3j minus k. This is a del pi. For this you have to apply the mod for this. Now this become 4 square 16, 1 square 3 square 1 square. This become 4 square root of 11. Because the square root of 16 is a 4, we can take outside 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11. Now you have to apply n cap is equal to minus 4 I plus 3j plus minus k divided by 4 root 11. 4 get cancelled. Minus I minus 3j plus k divided by root 11. This is a unit vector normal. Similarly, we have to take it for the second example. Pi is equal to x square y minus 2xz plus 2y square z raised to 4. The points are 2, 1, minus 1. Again, the same procedure, you have to write the formula unit vector normal n cap is equal to del pi by mod del pi. The grade del pi is nothing but dou pi by dou xi plus dou pi by dou yj plus dou pi by dou zk. You have to write this once again. After that, we have to find del pi, that is a grade pi with respect to x, 2z I plus x square plus 4 yz raised to 4 j plus minus 2x plus 8 y square z cube k. For this you have to substitute 2, 1, minus 1. This become 6I plus 8j minus 12k. Now after getting this, take a 2 common here, 3I plus 4j minus 6k. After getting the del pi, apply the mod pi for this. Square root of 4, 9 plus 16 plus 36 is equal to, this become 2 square root of 61. Now we have to write the unit normal vector n cap is equal to del pi divided by mod del pi is equal to, write this one, take a 2 common, 3I plus 4j minus 6k divided by 2 root 61. 2 to get cancelled. The remaining term we will get the unit vector normal.